Tesla has made its name for manufacturing the best electric vehicles so far. But there's something more that adds to the uniqueness of this company. It's none other than the unique and out-of-the-box designs, just as we get in the Cybertruck. But how does Tesla manage to produce such unique designs that are not less than a dream for competitive companies? What is the secret behind such massive vehicle production with every uniqueness it can get? Let's dive deeper inside the Tesla company to look at the latest technology the company is currently using to bring something out of this world in the automobile industry. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any updates. Without further dragging, let's dive in. Elon Musk is clear with a few things so far. The company not only excels in manufacturing the best electric vehicles, but it is always looking forward to generating new, eco-friendly, and economically viable ways to do the job. That's where Musk comes up with the Gigapress box. Back in the year 2020, Elon Musk announced that Tesla had bought 2 huge die casting machines to manufacture chassis parts for the Tesla Model Y. The same year, in August, he made a tweet claiming the Gigapress as the biggest casting machine ever made. Soon, in 2021, he used the Gigapress technology for the Cybertruck. The unique design and sharp cuts of Cybertruck's body give the evidence itself. There is no such truck in this world that is as uniquely designed as the Cybertruck. And that all happened due to what? The Gigapress. However, the Gigapress is getting bigger and bigger in 2024. Elon Musk is up to bigger projects using the Gigapress with 16,000 tons of pressure. Let me tell you, Tesla is the only company to use Gigapress technology in the manufacturing industry of automobiles. It not only reduces the cost it takes to build a car from scratch, but it also speeds up the massive production of automobiles. But how does Gigapress work in 2024? Gigapress is helping Tesla turn the manufacturing industry upside down. Tesla rejects the traditional way of making separate spare parts and then piling them up or screwing them to turn it into a full car frame. Instead, Tesla opts for something less expensive and with less effort. For this, Tesla makes its own molds in-house, and then the hot liquid metal, aluminum in this case, is let to flow into the hollow mold. The Gigapress machines give it almost 6,000 tons of clamping force, which is a lot. Remember when Elon Musk declared his master plan for 2024, according to a Reuters report? That exposed the Tesla company is up to die casting technology in which the company will manufacture the entire underbody in one piece. Here you go, the action to the news. That was Elon Musk's dream for a machinery to produce machinery. But it is not as easy as it sounds. The Gigapress technology creates a lot of pressure within the box. It requires a Hulk level of clamping force to keep the die in its place, so it might not fly apart. And guess what? The whole process from molten aluminum to pouring it into the mold and then for it to solidify happens just in a blink of an eye. It is that quick. Where the Gigapress makes the procedure less stressful. It also reduces the need for too many human workers working to bring the spare parts together to make a base skeleton of the vehicle in manufacturing. The machinery does the job. What else can we expect from Elon Musk's company that is just fascinated to bring in innovative ideas and the latest technologies to do the tough work? The presence of least human workers also reduces the danger of them working at an alarming range. Tesla is inspiring many other automobile companies as it keeps on grabbing attention of the vehicle buyers. Tesla's immense success at such a rapid rate is becoming problematic for several famous automobile companies. Toyota is one of them. In June 2023, Toyota released a video showing the gigacasting process. If we compare the Toyota with Tesla's Y model, the Toyota's parts are comparatively small. And it's safe to say that Toyota's gigacasting results are not up to the standards of Tesla. Although it's a huge invention at such a rapid rate, will Musk stop here? No way. The CEO is working day and night to improve the everyday production system at Tesla company. There is still much more to come. Join us if you want to see all the upcoming wonders Elon Musk has on the table for the world. At the end of this video, do not forget to share your thoughts about the Gigapress system. Till the next time, take care.